Hi budding artist, welcome to Ayat Studio. This is Aishwarya Bharat. If you are new here, subscribe to my channel for easy painting videos. We are in the series of Indian paintings under the Eastern style. If you missed the previous Indian paintings such as mural, Varli and pitchwai painting using acrylics, click this link to watch it. And the fourth one we are painting today is Patachitra, which is Lord Jagannath. As a preparation, I have drawn 3 large circles and 2 small circles in the middle to make our sketch easy and perfect. Now let's continue to sketch over this. I have also drawn a horizontal and vertical line in the center to ensure that the proportions are correct. Slowly draw the shapes using a pencil. The tips for beginners who are doing this painting is practice some basic shapes like circle, triangle and some lines etc. to sketch neatly. Because this sketch is all about shapes. Keep practicing until your hands are flexible enough to draw different shapes. This portrait is far different from the usual faces we draw. The eyes, nose and lips are completely unique for the Patachitra style. Once you're done with the inner circle, move on to the floral drawing in the outer space. The sketching process is quite detailed. Just do this with patience because the painting part is comparatively easy than sketching. Based in the eastern Indian states of Odisha and West Bengal, Patachitra art form is known for its intricate details as well as mythological narratives and folk tales inscribed in it. Now you can take a screenshot of this and use this as your reference image for sketching. Taking a small flat brush, I am applying orange color for the background. Starting to cover the spaces from the corner. And then before it is getting dried, I am switching to a small round brush to paint the tiny spaces in between the designs. Once the base coat is dry, go for the second coat. Now we can start to paint the elements in the foreground. I have taken a small round brush with red color . Be careful with this application as we are going to paint the small area around the eyes. Follow the same procedure for the left side eye as well. Once it is dry, cover it with another coat. We are done with the eyes now and proceed with the other parts. I am using a black marker to paint this. You can also use a small brush and black paint to paint here. Slowly cover the portions with black, leaving some spaces for other shapes. Pattachitra paintings require immense patience, intense hard work and skilled craftsmanship. Let me tell you the history behind this painting in a nutshell. Patta means cloth and chitra means picture. Hence, Pattachitra is a picture painted on a piece of cloth. This form of art is closely related to the cult of Sri Jagannath and the temple traditions in Puri. Pattachitra is one of the ancient artworks of Odisha, originally created for ritual use and as souvenirs for pilgrims to Puri as well as other temples in Odisha. Okay, now back to the painting. Using a small yellow marker, I am painting the designs in the foreground and then in the outer circle. You can very well substitute this with paint. Taking a red marker, I am outlining some shapes here. Once the details are highlighted inside, I am moving on to add details to the outer circle. This step will be easy as we have done a good background work with pencil. A floral border is a must in Pattachitra paintings, restricting them to a single tone. This creates a distinct look and feel that is typical to Pattachitra and cannot be replicated. So today we have learnt to paint the 12th century artwork, which is one of the most popular art forms practiced till today by the people in Odisha. Sign your artwork and here is a finished piece of Pattachitra painting. Take a closer look of this style of painting. Subscribe to iArt Studio for more Indian paintings in the upcoming weeks. See ya!